Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add embedded content on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, we have the email, audience, and sales. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and your messages here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add embedded content on Podia. Well, first of all, click on products in the on the top side of the screen here. And of course, now you need to go and go into products and find a product that you of course want to go and choose. So this one. Then choose the course you want to add embedded content. Click on the add section to create a new section of your course. Within the section, click add lesson. Click on the embed to add the embedded content. Then copy the embed code from the third-party service, for example, YouTube, SoundCloud, and paste it into the embed file. Click save. This allows you to include rich multimedia content like videos, audios, and interactive elements directly in your course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.